Hello friends, my name is Nisha. Welcome you to my channel Nisha Computer Academy. Today's video is about how to convert PC or laptop to a tablet mode in Windows 10. In this video, I will tell you the steps for enabling the tablet mode and also disabling it. It is a special feature for Windows 10. Okay friends, let's cut into the video. Suppose this screen is like Windows screen here. I want to convert it into a tablet mode. Usually tablet mode will have only touch screen elements where it makes your work easy. Let us see now in the notifications bar. If you click on this notification bar, very first method, if you want to change to tablet mode, you see there is an option given as tablet mode here. If not able to find it, you can go to the settings part and I will show the second method also. But for the timings, the first place, if you click on this tablet mode and observe that what will happen. The taskbar which was there and there were multiple elements like File Explorer, Notepad, MS Word, and there were few options which were there that has been gone away. The entire screen has become a full screen. Early it was not a full screen. It was only a start menu and a small portion. That was a non-tablet mode. This one is a tablet mode and it helps you to just scroll and find out the options like this. You can scroll and find out your apps. You can just click and see what is the things available here. And pin items, pin titles, all apps and so on. You can just click on this. It will go back. This is the tablet mode. If you remove the tablet mode, observe the difference. Again, I will go to this place. Click on tablet mode. Now, if you see, I got the icons back like File Explorer, Notepad, MS Word and so on. Now, size of this start screen has been reduced. And I can see the desktop screen also, right? This is the maximum size which you can keep for this start menu. Again, I will move to the tablet mode. I just click on this place. You can see it has gone to the full options which are added in the bottom has been removed. So this is nothing but a tablet mode. Makes your work easy when you are working with the touch screen part. Now I again click on this, make a tablet mode off. Second method is if you are not able to find out tablet mode here, how do you switch to the tablet mode? So I will show you. I just go to this Windows place, click on the settings part and you will see the option known as system, display, sound, notifications and power. Click on this place and somewhere at the bottom you will find the tablet mode given here. Click on it. And if you see when you sign in for the first time, when you are using the computer for the first time, how do you want it? You can see the options. If you are signing in for the first time, this one, when I sign in for the first time, or whenever I sign in inside, use the tablet mode, use the desktop mode or use the appropriate mode for my hardware. So if you click on the tablet mode and when you sign in, you always get the tablet mode itself. Same way when the device automatically switch off the tablet mode and it asks you, do not switch to tablet mode, ask me before switching modes, always switch to tablet mode. So it will give you a different options which are given here available, right? But the thing is done when do you want to switch to the tablet mode. When I sign in, if I say using tablet mode, I will change to the tablet mode when you sign in at the first time. It was the second method. At this place, if you see the notifications and actions, from here, click on edit your quick actions. From here, there was a tablet mode which is available. If not, you can remove the tablet mode from the notifications. If you want, you can add into the notifications bar. So the easiest method is go to this place and select the tablet mode, or if you want to switch to the other place, you can again click on this place itself, right? Then just close this window. So I hope you will able to understand how to switch from the desktop mode, or you can say Windows mode to the tablet mode. That's all for this video. If you like my content, then please like my video, share my video. If you have any doubts, then please comment in the comment box. I will sure help you to fix the problem. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.